Hi guys, in this lesson I'm going to teach you about WordPress pages, okay? So what is a page? So pages are content entries that are static and not listed by date, okay? So pages, actually, these are similar to posts, except that pages are not listed by date, okay? So pages don't have a date. And also, pages are static, okay? So remember that posts are always updated, okay? So in this case, pages are static, standalone pages, okay? So next, pages do not use tags or categories. So remember, posts have categories, but pages do not use categories, okay? And also, pages are hierarchical in structure. Okay, so you can have a main page and you can have sub pages under the main page. And also, pages have an order. Okay, so you can choose which page you want to go first, second, third, etc. Okay, so let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and I'll show you more stuff about pages. Okay, so let's go to the pages section and click add new. Okay, so now we want to make an about me page. Alright, so let me just copy the content for the about me page. Okay, and then let's put an image. So click add media, then upload files, click select files, and then choose the picture that you want. Okay, so once that is uploaded, just click insert into page. Alright, so now we want to publish this. Okay, so here, click publish. Okay, so now that it's published, we can just click the permalink to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the about me page looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna add another page. Just click add new, and I want to make a legal page. Okay, so let me just copy the content, and here, look here on the right section, there is page attributes. And there is an order here. Okay, so the order numbers from 0 1 2 3 4 5 etc etc. Okay, so the first number on the order is 0. Okay, so this means that 0 is the first page that will show. Okay, but I don't want this to be the first page, I want this to be the second page, so I will make the order into 1. Okay, and you can see here there's a parent section, but I want this page to have no parent because this means that the page is a main page. If you choose a parent page, for example about me, then this will be a sub page of the parent page. Okay, but this page there's gonna be no parent, so let's just click no parent. Okay, then let's click publish. Okay, so by the way, I want this to be a main page, and I also want to have 3 sub pages under it. Okay, so these are going to be the privacy statement, anti-spam policy, and legal disclaimer. So these 3 pages, these are going to be the sub pages, and this legal page is going to be the parent page. Okay, so now let's publish this. So click publish. Okay, so now that's published. So let's just see what it looks like here on the home page. Let's just refresh the home page. Okay, so as you can see, here's our about me page and here is the legal page. So as you can see that the about me page goes first because the order of this is 0, and the legal page is second because the order here is number 1. Okay, so you can find the order here. And if you want the next page, it will be order 2, order 3, etc., etc. But the first order is 0. Okay, so now let's add a new page. So click add new, and let's make the sub pages. Okay, so the first sub page we're gonna make is the legal disclaimer. Okay, so let's put the title legal disclaimer and paste the content. And we want this to have a parent page. Okay, so the parent page is going to be legal. And let's click publish. Okay. Alright, so let's add another page. Click add new again. And now we're going to copy paste the privacy statement. Okay. So let's put the title here, privacy statement, and then paste the content. And then the parent page again is going to be the legal page. Okay. So we can also order this um, on which subpage is going to be the first, second, or third. Okay. So let's order this into one. So this means that the first subpage is the legal disclaimer, and this is the next subpage. So let's make the order 1, okay, and then click publish. Alright, so let's click add new again and add our last subpage. Okay, so the last subpage is the anti-spam policy. Okay, so let me type here and the title, anti-spam policy, and paste the content. And then the parent page again is going to be the legal page. Okay, so the order of this is going to be number 2. Okay, because the first order is the legal disclaimer, the second is privacy statement, and the last is this anti-spam policy. Okay, so now let's click publish. Okay, so once that is published, let's refresh this home page. Okay, so as you can see, the first is the About Me page. And when you click legal, it's going to show 3 subpages. Okay, so the first subpage that shows is the legal disclaimer. The second is the privacy statement. And the third is the anti-spam policy. Okay, but if we want to change the order, for example, we want the anti-spam policy to go first. Okay, so we can do that. Let's change the order into 0. And then click update. And we're gonna change, let's go to all pages, and let's change the order of legal disclaimer. So you can just click this, put a check, and then click quick edit. Okay, so from the 0, let's change this into number 2. Okay, and click update. Okay, so if you want actually to make quick changes, just make click quick edit. Okay, so in the quick edit you can change the order, the parent, and the status. Okay, you can also change this from published to draft if you want. Okay, so that is just an example. Okay, so just click update, and then let's refresh this. And as you can see, the anti-spam policy is now on the first order. Okay, and the legal disclaimer is on the last order. Okay, so you can also change the order of the subpages, and you can also change the order of the main pages. Okay, so about me and legal, these are both main pages, and the anti-spam policy, privacy statement, and legal disclaimer, these are sub pages. Okay, so you can see here our home page, and our home page displays as your latest posts. Okay, so this is our posts. Okay, but we can also change that so that our home page will display a static page. Okay, for example, we want this about me page to be on our home page. Okay, so we can do that. So first, let's go to the WordPress dashboard, and then let's go to settings, and then click reading. Okay, so we can see here on the reading settings that our homepage displays as your latest post. Okay, but we can change that to a static page. Okay, by doing, let's click this, a static page, and we can choose the homepage that we want. Okay, so just click this, and we can select from the different pages such as about me, legal, anti-spam policy, this legal disclaimer, privacy statement. Okay, so for example, we want the about me page to be our home page. Okay, so let's click save changes. Okay, so now we can see the result by refreshing this. Okay, so now you can see that the about me page is now on our home page. Okay, so if you want to change this again, we can choose another page, for example, anti-spam policy, and then click Save Changes. Okay, so let's refresh this, and you can see that the anti-spam policy is now on the home page. Alright, so see you in the next video.